260 auto tiling shader, part 10. We made a bug fix in the arcgirl shader macro section. Right down here, these were supposed to be IVEC, not just VEC, because the default VEC type is a float. So now IVEC 2, 3, and 4 are correct, and that fixed the problem I was having in my code. Down here, while I was searching for the bug, I created this inlined macro functions section to create a sanity check. So this macro here exists in two places, and it's a substitution for this exact logic. So it worked in shader number 5, but didn't work in shader number 6, which led me to know that either this was wrong, this was wrong, this was wrong, or this was wrong, and that led me to the bug fix that I have. In fragment shader number 5, we have included the inlined macro functions here. And we got rid of this line of code, and we put this line of code in, which did not change the behavior of the shader. And then in shader source number 6, the shader we're working on, we also included the inlined functions. And then we commented this out, and we're using this here. Same code, but it wasn't working. And this led me to the bug fix that I just went over. So now we are ready to keep on working on this geom tiles and friends section here that we've been working on for rendering the geometry tiles using auto tiling. Here's what we did previously, and here's what we did in this video. Just a bug fix. If you want a longer description about this bug fix, you can go to the longer video. You're on the short videos. You can get the source code here. Email me here. This has been Video 260. Like and subscribe.